Cozy Coupe. You do it like it's never been done. Cozy, 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 cozy coupe. I'm ready for rolling into fun. My Cozy Coupe.
Looks like Cozy and Go Green are helping Fire Truck around the station today. Oof, but it's definitely too hot to work outside. How can they stay cool? The car wash? That's a great idea! Whoa! Go Green cleaned up so good! What are the dirt diggers doing? They're getting dirty again. Oh no, Wrecking Ball is too tall to fit in the car wash. How can Wrecking Ball stay cool like everyone else on this hot day? Cozy has an idea. A fire hydrant. Cozy's cruising through town. And there's Chief at home at the police station. And there's Fire Truck at his home. Cozy wishes he had a home that was perfect for him. But Cozy's friends hate to see him down. Fairy really wants to help. Chief has his home. Fire Truck has his. They must be able to find a house for Cozy too. Fairy is up first. She's found this house. Is this the perfect place for Cozy? It seems nice. Oops! It's floating up because of those balloons. Well, that's fine for someone who can fly, but that's no good for Cozy. Maybe it's better for Fairy instead. But now, Turtle has a house to show Cozy. They're at the house Turtle found. It looks really cute. But, I don't think Cozy is going to fit inside. Nope, definitely not. This doesn't look right either. It's Ice Cream Truck's turn. Ooh, the house he found looks awesome. Oh, the house is made out of ice cream, and it's melting in the hot sun. This one isn't right either. Poor Cozy. Wait a minute. What's that? That house looks perfect. It has a slide, and it's even Cozy's color. Cozy loves it. Cozy's so happy he found this place. He can live in it and invite people around to play. He loves it. This house really is perfect for Cozy. It's time for the Beachtown Carnival. Look at all the attractions. There's a cotton candy machine. And some awesome music, too. A merry-go-round. Dance party! Woo! Wrecking Ball is playing a game. He has to knock those bottles over to win a prize. Looks like he's a sore loser. That's the carnival control panel. What's Wrecking Ball up to? Oh! Whoa! The is way too loud! The cotton candy machine is out of control too! This isn't right at all! Wrecking Ball is ruining the carnival! Now the merry-go-round is going way too fast! Good job, Cozy! Oh, look out, Chief! Someone has to stop that merry-go-round! Nice work, Cozy! The honey was so sticky, it stopped the merry-go-round! Cozy helped Fairy, too! Well done, Cozy! You saved the carnival! Chief isn't happy with Wrecking Ball. He made all this mess. Now he has to clean it up. Ooh, it's a windy day in Beachtown. And here's Cozy, cruising past the police station. Here's the jail cell. Chief's warning Cozy to be careful. You don't want to get trapped inside. It's a dirt digger up to their old tricks and pranks. Chief's chasing after them. He's asking Cozy to keep an eye on the station while he's gone. Yes, sir! Cozy's on patrol. Whoops! The wind blew his hat into the cell. Cozy's grabbing it, but... Uh-oh! Cozy's trapped! He's trying to reach the keys, but it's no good. Oh, there's Go Green. Maybe she can help. Cozy's asking if she can get the key. There! Cozy will be free in no time. That's the wrong key. And that one. I think Go Green has an idea. Go Green's gonna knock the door down. But the door's open! Oh, look out! That didn't work out so well. All they have now is Go Green's trailer full of carrots. Oh, there's a dirt digger! It has the keys! If they can just get it closer. Dirt diggers love carrots. Here he comes! There! They got the keys. Cozy and Go Green are free! And now the dirt digger is locked up in the jail cell. Chief's back too. Here comes Cozy. He's so excited for movie night. Hoops in Space. Cozy's favorite film. This is gonna be great. And here comes Go Green with corn to make popcorn. Look out! It's the dirt diggers! They're stealing the corn! Stop them! They're getting away! What was that? There's a huge hole in the screen. And someone stole the projector. Movie night is ruined! There's a trail of corn leading this way. And some lights in the distance. It's time for Cozy to investigate. What a strange place. Cozy has never been here before. It's Wrecking Ball. He stole the projector and corn. But looks like he doesn't know how to pop it. He can't turn the projector on either. Oh, he's so frustrated he might hit it. Stop, Wrecking Ball, stop! Oh, Wrecking Ball was angry because he didn't get invited to movie night. Oh, Cozy is trying to cheer him up. This is how you turn on the projector. They're bringing the movie night to Wrecking Ball. Hooray! they have popcorn. There. The movie is on. It's so nice to include new friends. Happy movie night, everyone! It's Harvest Festival in Beachtown, and we all know what that means. Time for the hay maze! Go Green has worked so hard to build it. There's the start, and the first one to get to the finish line wins a trophy. Ready, and... go! Woohoo! There's the exit. Quick, Cozy! Huh? It's a dirt digger! They're moving the walls to make the maze more difficult. Oh, it's Wrecking Ball! He's cheating! And the dirt diggers are helping him! They can outsmart the dirt diggers! What are those coops up to? The coops beat the dirt diggers and Wrecking Ball at their own game. Now they're all confused. Can they finish the race? Oh, there's Wrecking Ball. He's boxed in with the dirt diggers, too. Serves them right for cheating. And Truck is the winner. Nice work, everyone. That was so much fun. It's a sunny day in Beachtown. And it looks like Cozy is in the mood to play. Cozy is trying to get his friends to join him for a ride. Go Green is too busy right now. But that's not going to stop Cozy. Chief can't either. He's got to watch the town. Fairy is also working. Seems like everyone is busy. Cozy has an idea. Since everyone is busy and he's got so much energy, Cozy can try and break the record for the longest coop jump ever. But if Cozy's going to break records, Cozy needs to train. Go on, Cozy. You can do it. Really work at it. All stunt jumpers need a cool outfit. Looking good, Cozy. Now all Cozy's friends are here to watch the jump. Whoa! That's a really big ramp. But Cozy's not afraid. Time to show them what you're made of. Go, Cozy, go! Cozy's going so far. Wait! Cozy's going too far, flying right past the landing ramp. Cozy's friends have to help. Quick, move the landing ramp. Cozy doesn't even realize there's a problem. Hurry, everyone. A little to the left. No, a little to the right. Now left again. Oh no, right again. A perfect landing. That was a close one, but Cozy sure did break the record. Well done. Here comes Cozy on a bright, sunny day. But wait, what's going on? Huh? Is something happening today? Oh, wow! Their old friend Train is coming back to town today, and they're throwing a welcome party. Chief is rushing to get everything ready. Oh, hey! Someone stop that dirt digger! Cozy would love to meet him. Train travels and brings everyone the most amazing gifts when he returns. Oh no! That gate is still shut, and Train hasn't noticed. He's going to crash if Cozy doesn't do something. Phew, that was close. But look! The banner! Quick, Cozy! Oh, now Train can't see where he's going. This isn't good at all. He's going to crash. Hurry, Cozy! Yeah! Cozy cleared the way. Nice job. Train reached the party at last. That was a close one. Guess Cozy really is the hero today. Now they can enjoy the welcoming party together. What could make a beautiful day in Beachtown even better? Celebrating Chief's birthday! Looks like everything is in order. They can't wait for Chief to show up. Now, all they need is the cake, which is being brought by Train. How perfect! Here comes Train now, just in time. Hold on! Wrecking Ball is wrecking the bridge! How will Train make it across? Oh no! Train is in real trouble. Wrecking Ball hasn't noticed. Help! Not to worry. Cozy and Fire Truck are on their way to save the day. They better hurry. Stop, Wrecking Ball, stop! Cozy and Fire Truck need to fix the bridge. And Wrecking Ball is here to help. Oh! Phew. Nice catch, Wrecking Ball. That was a close call. Wrecking Ball is very sorry and will be sure to be more careful in the future. They made it back in time before Chief, so they could all celebrate together. Chief is so happy. He has great friends who planned a birthday party for him. Chief's birthday was almost ruined, but friends working together made sure it was a great day. Today is Fairy's special day, as it's the Beachtown Airshow. A time for Fairy to show off all her amazing flying skills. Everyone is here to watch Fairy do her thing. Way to go, Fairy! Cozy and Chief show Fairy a great picture they captured, which makes Fairy smile. Whoa, check this out! Plane has some real awesome air tricks up his sleeve, too! Looks like everyone is really enjoying the show. Except Fairy. Huh? Can Plane pull this stunt off blindfolded? He goes for it. Oh, he does it! Wow! Uh-oh! Fairy is higher than she's ever been. She's going for the biggest possible loop-de-loop she's ever done. Oh, she's never gone this fast. Oh no! Fairy is losing control. Oh, phew! Good teamwork. at them go! Cozy is on a mission to make a nice meal and invite all the Coupes over for dinner. Go Green is giving Cozy all the ingredients. Uh-oh, all this weight is going to slow Cozy down. Maybe Helicopter can help Cozy speed things up. Amazing! This is no problem thanks to Helicopter's powerful rotors. Oh no! Helicopter's rotors accidentally blew the tomato away. Let's get this meal started. Helicopter is happy to stick around and help Cozy. Oh, but maybe a chef's hat isn't Helicopter style. Cozy is already preparing the food, focused on cooking a meal that will make everyone happy. First, we need to cook the pasta. Then, chop the carrots. And then we use the frying pan. But Cozy seems to be missing one key ingredient. Oh, they must have lost the tomato. How are they going to get another one in time? Everyone's arriving soon. Helicopter knows what to do. Go and look for the lost tomato. Yikes! Everyone is almost here. If Cozy doesn't get the tomato, the meal won't be finished. As much as Cozy needs the final ingredient, you can't leave your friends hungry. Cozy will have to serve it as is. Oh, phew! Helicopters brought the tomato just in time. The final ingredient. Cozy couldn't be happier. It tastes great. Eat up, everyone. It's a really cold day in Beachtown. Everyone needs to wrap up warm to keep out the cold. Here's Ice Cream Truck. I wonder what he's up to. That's very kind, but it's a bit cold for an ice cream today. Oh, Truck doesn't want an ice cream either. Whoa! Garbage Truck doesn't want an ice cream either. Poor Ice Cream Truck. Nobody wants ice cream today. What's he going to do? What was that? Snowballs? Everyone is having a snowball fight. I don't think Ice Cream Truck has ever been in a snowball fight before. Cozy sure doesn't mind getting hit with an ice cream instead of a snowball. Both are cold, but ice creams are way more tasty. Plane's playing too! This is so much fun! Oh no! They accidentally hit Truck's snow coop. But Ice Cream Truck has an idea. An ice cream hat! Amazing! Nice work, Ice Cream Truck. It's a beautiful day in Beachtown, and Cozy is enjoying his morning roll. What's this? Oh no! Wrecking Ball is up to his usual mischief. Oh, now the beach is covered in garbage. Cozy knows how to help. Cozy can use the trailer to pick up all this garbage. Whew. This sure is a lot. It's so heavy. Looks like Truck heard all the commotion and called his good friend Garbage Truck to help. It looks like the garbage can be sorted into 3 groups: garbage, recycling, and food scraps. If they pick one group each, they'll have the beach cleaned up in no time. As beautiful as ever. Now, what to do with the garbage? Garbage truck knows. At the junkyard, recycling is turned into new things. But what about truck's food scraps? Lead the way, garbage truck. Oh, it's Go Green's garden. Using her compost bin, the food scraps turn into food for the plants, and that helps them grow. It's been a big day, and it's time to say goodbye to garbage truck. Cozy's glad the work is done. Well, almost done. It's the perfect day for a game of baseball in Beachtown. Princess is a great pitcher. Fire truck had better step up his game. Oh no! One more strike and Fire truck is out. Fire truck gave it his all, but Wrecking Ball's quick moves and Cozy's great catch got him out. Next up to bat is Truck. Whoa! That might be a home run. Oh no, the ball is gone forever. Fairy is not going in there. Who could this be? Oh, it's our new friend, Helicopter. They found the ball. Everyone is so happy to meet Helicopter, who's also very happy to help out. Helicopter's got some skill. All of our Coupes are really impressed. Nice hit, Go Green. Good catch, Helicopter. Uh-oh. Next up to bat is Truck. Everyone backs up, especially the outfielders. Another huge hit from Truck. Helicopter's got this. Oh, what a catch. Way to go, Helicopter. They won the game. Ah, what a beautiful day in Beachtown. Cozy is enjoying a morning stroll. Oh no! Today is the Beachtown talent show and Cozy forgot all about it. Looks like Fire Truck is going to perform some magic. Oops. He needs some more practice. Oh my! Something smells delicious. Go Green is going to show off her talents by baking a pie. It seems like Fairy has got her talent figured out too. But what will Cozy do? Oh, uh-oh, it's showtime. Good job, Ice Cream Truck. Cozy's still not sure what talent to do. Wow! Truck is showing off his strength! Looks like someone kept practicing. Nice work, Fire Truck! Way to go, Princess! Oh, now it's Cozy's turn. What will Cozy do? Everyone seems to love it. But Cozy is losing control. Cozy's causing the biggest mess. Even though Cozy made such a mess, the performance was a hit. Sometimes making people laugh is the best talent of all.